and welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to be diving in and showing you how to integrate Stripe with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is one of my favorite tools. I have grown an incredibly successful business because of the tools that I use, and ClickFunnels is one of those tools. I just absolutely love it. Now, this video that you're watching right now is part of a whole series for how to create sales systems and sales funnels inside of ClickFunnels. So we're going to be linking out to the other videos below this one. So make sure that you check out the full length video where I'm going to be walking you through how to build funnels, etc. Not only that, if you watch this and you don't have a ClickFunnels account, I have created an incredible bonus for you worth $997. So check out the link below this video for how to access that bonus. So if you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell, because we publish 3 times a week and I create in-depth tutorials such as the one that you are seeing right now. So do me a favor, as I'm really working hard on growing this channel, subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up and turn on your bell so that YouTube will push this video to other people to see. So let's dive into the tutorial. So I click over to the order form, you'll notice that this one is relatively different. Not only do we need to select templates, but we need to add products. So again, it's the same process. We're going to select a template that you like. Just select something simple. So I'm going to select this one. So select template over here. Once it has loaded, we have some more interesting things to do beyond just designing. You see over here that we have an additional tab over here, which is products. So if I click over here, this is where we insert your product. So because this is a sales funnel and you want people to buy something, they need a means to buy it beyond just the order form. You want them to be able to pay automatically. So over here, we want to click on add product over here. And then in order to add your product, you first need to add your payment integration. So I'm going to click on add payment integration over here. There are several ways to do that. I could have gone over here, by the way, right into account settings, right? And gone over here to payment gateway. And can you see, I'd be back in the same place, right? So there are 2 ways of going there. So we're back in the same place. Then you want to click on this green button that says add payment integration over here. And once you're here, you want to select your payment portal. Like, which one do you want to use? Majority of people, in all honesty, use Stripe or PayPal. Stripe is definitely easier and most people use that. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So we use Stripe. In fact, we use both Stripe and PayPal. So it says you're currently using 0 of 3 Stripe accounts. So you can add 3 different Stripe accounts to your ClickFunnels account. So in order to do that, you first want to create your Stripe account, which you can do directly from inside of ClickFunnels. If you already have a Stripe account, you can also sign in, but let's click on the word create here so that we can move forward. Now, in order to create your Stripe account, you definitely want to begin by adding your name over here. So Pam Stripe demo over here. So it says enable Apple Pay, and over here you want to make this your default Stripe account. This is assuming you have more than 1 Stripe account, right? So I'm going to turn that on, and over here you can click on create Stripe account. Brilliant. So once you have clicked on that, it moves us over to the next tab, which is connect. It says now that you have named your account, click the button below to be directed to Stripe website where you can complete your connection. So click on next over here, connect with Stripe, and it's going to open Stripe over here. So now, getting started with Stripe, the first thing you want to do is to add your email, right? Add your email and then you can move to the next step. However, if you have a Stripe account, you can use the same email, right? So I'm going to click on this email to add. I'm going to click on next over here. And then you want to create a password. Okay, password must be 10 characters. Click on next over here. It is free, by the way, to create a Stripe account. The next thing you want to do is to secure account with a mobile number. Now, I don't have a mobile that I haven't used on Stripe, so I can't actually move forward with this. But you want to then add your mobile number, and what it will do is it was going to send you a text message, a code for you to connect and activate your Stripe details. And then you literally keep following the steps and integrate your Stripe into ClickFunnels. Thank you so much for catching that tutorial. Like I said, ClickFunnels is one of my favorite tools. Once again, if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, make sure you grab my link right below this video and get started for free for 14 days. and you get access to bonuses from me worth $9.97. So make sure you do. Take a look at what those bonuses look like. So I want to walk you through how to get your free bonuses with me if you sign up to ClickFunnels using my link. Complete disclosure, I absolutely love ClickFunnels. Like I've been saying, it's helped me massively with my business. And so I have some amazing bonuses, 3 bonuses actually, bonus number 1, bonus number 2, and bonus number 3 for anybody who signs up to ClickFunnels using my link. Now, first of all, how do you get to this page? You get to this page by going to www.pamabassa.com/ClickFunnels bonus. Okay, that's how you arrive at this page, and I will be linking out, posting the link to that, to this page right under the video. But I just want to walk you through the bonus of what happens. Now, you can get started with ClickFunnels with a 14-day free trial. So that means that over the course of 14 days, you could potentially have your funnels built and even start making money depending on how far you have gone with creating your funnels, and start making money before you even begin to pay for ClickFunnels. So the first bonus that I'm going to be giving you is how to fill your funnel organically. So I give you my complete Facebook organic marketing course. It's called the Facebook Marketing Hacks Intensive, and it's one of the best things that we have created, that a lot of people buy from us, that really teaches you how to use Facebook the free way, right? So it's a highly sought after course, and I show you step by step how to use Facebook as a marketing machine for free, using little known methods that you can use to grow any business without spending any money on Facebook ads. So that is the first bonus. And the second bonus is my high converting done for you social media marketing templates. For this, we give you a total of just over 365 posts that you can use for your business. These winning templates are incredibly high converting and have helped us to generate 6 figures organically. So that means without paying for any ads. And you can customize this to use for absolutely any business. And on the third bonus is that I'm going to be giving you access to my highest converting lead generation funnel, right? So this is something that you can easily swipe and start using inside of your ClickFunnels account straight away. So once you get access to this funnel, you get access to social media posts, and you get access to training for how to use Facebook. This is pretty much the trifecta for how to grow your business for free. And you get all of this as a bonus just for using my link. Now, how do you use my link? What you do is you click here, this massive button that says click here to claim your free bonus. And once you click here, it'll take you to open your account on ClickFunnels, which I'll be showing you how to do in a moment. And then, of course, right at the bottom, we have some instructions. So you sign up to my ClickFunnels account, or rather trial, using the button above. And then after you have done that, you wait 14 days and you send an email. You send a copy of your ClickFunnels receipt, right, in an email to me over here at hello@pamabassa.com with the subject, send me ClickFunnels bonuses, please. And my team will get this sent off to you. So once we've checked that everything is valid, we will send you all of the bonuses. So all of the instructions are on this page, as well as all of the amazing bonuses that you will be getting from us. These bonuses are amazing. These are the very things that have helped me to grow my business, and I'm so excited to be able to offer you these bonuses. So the link for this will be below this video, and so make sure you get access to ClickFunnels using my link by clicking on this yellow button. Brilliant. So you know what to do. Grab the link for the bonuses below this video. Now, before we wrap, I want you to check out this video where I share the full video for how to build funnels inside of ClickFunnels. You get to see how I do it and why it's successful. Make sure you check it out right now, and I'll see you in my next video.